Imagine waking up to headlines that trillions, yes, trillions, of Shiba Inu tokens have just been shifted in a single mysterious transaction. What does it mean when so much wealth, in one of the world's most controversial meme coins, changes hands overnight? And more importantly, could this be the spark that changes the game for crypto investors everywhere? To get to the heart of what's happening, let's rewind. Shiba Inu, launched in August of the year 2020 as a cheeky challenger to Dogecoin, was once nothing more than a viral meme in the crypto world. But unlike fleeting internet fads, SHIB set its sights on bigger ambitions. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, it harnessed the power of smart contracts to offer more than just laughs. It created a decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap, and introduced its own suite of tokens, including Leash and Bone. The team doubled down, diving into NFTs with the quirky Shiboshis collection, and even launched their own Layer 2 scaling solution called Shibarium, all in under 4 years. Today, Shiba Inu is no longer just a meme, but a rapidly evolving ecosystem. The number of SHIB holders recently crossed the 1.5 million mark. The network now boasts its own reputation system, the Karma reputation system, and is actively developing solutions to make transactions faster and cheaper. As Greg Tusar of Coinbase puts it, crypto has solidified its role as a cornerstone of the global financial system, and SHIB, fueled by an army of enthusiastic investors, is part of that new foundation. Suddenly, the market is buzzing. News breaks that an unfathomable 2,542,712,471,794 Shiba Inu tokens, worth over $31 million US, have just been sent from an unknown wallet to Coinbase Institutional. That is not just a regular trade. This is the kind of move that only the biggest players, so-called whales, can pull off. The identity of the sender remains a mystery, and the purpose of such a colossal transfer is sparking fierce debate across the financial world. Some experts, like Alan Santana, suggest that Shiba Inu could rise to an ambitious target of $0.0002232, potentially by the second half of 2025. Especially with these new waves of accumulation. Others, however, caution that institutional involvement could go either way. It might bring price stability, or it could open the floodgates to volatile swings if big players decide to cash out. Right now, SHIB's price is showing only a slight uptick, an increase of just a fraction of a percent. The technical indicators reveal that the market is consolidating, neither bullish nor bearish. The whale transfer is hanging over the market like a thundercloud. Is this the calm before a massive rally, or the first tremor before a crash? With the ecosystem expanding, institutional players stepping in, and a mystery swirling around the fate of trillions in tokens, everyone, from retail traders to Wall Street insiders, is holding their breath, waiting to see what comes next. Could this be the moment Shiba Inu transforms from meme to mainstream, or will it prove once again that in crypto, even the biggest moves can vanish like smoke? So, what do the data and the experts really suggest will happen next? And are everyday investors ready for the fallout, whichever direction it goes? So, what does this jaw-dropping transfer actually mean for the future of Shiba Inu and the wider crypto landscape? Let's unpack the potential consequences and the paths that lie ahead. On one hand, the involvement of Coinbase Institutional, with trillions of tokens under its wing, signals increasing interest from heavyweight investors and institutional players. This could add a new layer of legitimacy and stability to Shiba Inu, moving it further away from its meme coin origins. As Greg Tusar from Coinbase puts it, crypto has solidified its role as a cornerstone of the global financial system. If institutional demand surges and development continues apace, especially with Satoshi Kusama's cryptic hints about fresh upgrades, the price of SHIB could experience significant upward momentum. But let's not overlook the risks. The recent crash in large transaction volume, down by about 35%, shows that the market is far from predictable. If these giant holders, or whales, choose to offload their tokens, the price could tank overnight. The current technical indicators, slightly strong trend but with the relative strength index hovering around 40, suggest that SHIB is consolidating, not trending wildly in either direction. In short, the coin is at a crossroads, with both explosive growth and dramatic downturns within reach. Looking forward, several scenarios appear on the horizon. The best-case outcome? Shibarium's expansion drives down transaction costs, new applications attract real-world usage, and institutional backing helps smooth out wild price swings. Alan Santana, a market expert, believes Shiba Inu could even hit a new ambitious high by the second half of next year if positive momentum continues. On the flip side, if development stalls or the broader market turns bearish, SHIB holders could face a sharp correction, especially if whales dump their positions. So what should you, whether seasoned trader or curious newcomer, make of all this? Here's the practical takeaway. Watch the whales, but don't just copy them. Large transfers can signal both opportunity and danger. If you see institutions getting involved and the ecosystem continuing to evolve, it can mean greater long-term trust. But the volatility of crypto hasn't disappeared. Consider setting clear entry and exit points and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Stay aware of new developments like Satoshi Kusama's teased ecosystem upgrades and the rollout of the Karma reputation system, which rewards active community members. These innovations aim to shift SHIB from passive speculation to active participation, building a stronger and smarter community, as Lucy from the Shiba Inu team highlights. In conclusion, the massive movement of trillions of SHIB tokens to Coinbase Institutional is more than just a headline, it's a turning point. This action could usher in a new era for Shiba Inu, marked by increasing legitimacy, deeper ecosystem innovation, and potentially a gradual rise in price over the coming years. Yet, with every opportunity comes risk. The market's reaction over the next few weeks will serve as a live lesson in supply, demand, and the power of large players. And here's a secret most overlooked. Despite all the buzz, the real value of Shiba Inu may lie not in chasing the next pump, but in the ever-evolving community and real-world utility that's now being built brick by brick. Will SHIB soar or stumble? The answer depends on what happens next, both in the market and behind the scenes. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to subscribe, like, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your next move with SHIB? For deeper dives into crypto trends and global technology, stay tuned to our channel. The next game